ensure that you have the correct number of power supply units for your design, make sure to check out our online calculator before you begin mounting. Apply the double-sided mounting tape to the mounting plate at the back of the panel, leaving one edge sticking out from the plate, and then peel off the tape backing. You can attach your power supply and the Modular Shapes controller to any of the panels in your layout. Before mounting, make sure to snap a linker onto each panel so you can easily connect it to the next panel in your layout. Thoroughly clean your surface to remove any oil or dust. Place the first panel of your design onto the wall and apply pressure with a closed fist to the center of the panel using circular motions for 30 seconds. This will ensure the mounting tape is properly adhered. Snap on your second panel, making sure it's properly connected, and then apply the same pressure with your fist, making circular motions. For mini triangles, rather than using your fist, apply pressure with your thumb, making the same circular motions for 30 seconds. Repeat these steps with each panel until you've completed your design. Make sure to follow these directions carefully to safely dismount your panels. Gently snap the panel off of the mounting plate. Place one hand on the plate, and with your other hand, pull the exposed tab of tape along the wall. Do not pull perpendicular to the wall or at any angle, or you'll be risking damage. Pull along the wall until the tape is released, and then repeat until all of your panels have been safely dismounted.